Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. If you're looking to go wireless with your reclinable furniture, this blue Cactus battery pack gives you that independence from the walls that you're looking for. It allows us to have this recliner anywhere in the room while still having super smooth operation. Installation is so simple. It's just a matter of unplugging your furniture from its wall plug and plugging it into the battery. And that battery slides right underneath and can't even be seen, and even more importantly, won't be tripped over. This is the 2500 model, and it is powerful enough to power this couch, even in tandem without slowing down one bit. I'm really impressed with how smooth the operation is. You don't feel a difference at all in the speed, even though you're not plugged into the wall. So if you want the focal point to be no longer all the cords, but your beautiful furniture, I highly recommend this battery pack from Blue Cactus. And that's my point of view.